Hello, welcome. In this video, we'll learn how to install Python 3 on Windows machine. So first of all, we have to search Python 3 on Google. Now here we can see the first result is Python's official site. We have to go to this site. Now we can see the latest version for Windows is 3.9.6. We can click here and the file will be downloaded in our PC. Now you can click here or go to the download folder, and here we can see our Python file will be downloaded, and we can right click here and click run as administrator. Now we can see here two options. One is install now and one is second one is customize installation. So if we can click here, and we can see which features will be installed in our PC. So we can check or uncheck here like documentations. If we don't need any documentation Python, then we can uncheck it, or we can check or uncheck any options we as needed. Then I click back, and in the bottom we can see there are two options, that install Python launcher for all users, which is recommended, or we can install Python for particular user. I am go for all users, and we have to click here, tick mark here, like add Python 3.9 to the path. So the Python 3.9 path will automatically add in our environment variables. So we have to tick here, and I click install now. So our Python is now installing in our system. We have to wait some time. Now we see that our pipe setup was successful. Now here is an option, the disable path length limit. If we disable the path limit, then Python can handle and bypass 24 more than 260 character. If any file path we can use in our application, then we have to disable this option, that 260 path character. Or if we don't disable this option, then sometimes if our character is more than 260, then application may error occur. So disabling this option may be good for some applications, depend on your application or in development environment. So I am click disable path limit. Now I click close. Now we have to verify that the Python are installed correctly or not. In run I can run cmd, and now type Python == version. As you can see, our Python 3.9.6 is successfully installed. Now we have to test. Okay, I'm Python. Yes, now our Python terminal will open. Now I write a simple script. As we can see, our Python is successfully installed and working correctly. Thanks.